Hi, I'm Ross Hager. I'm the Safety Manager for Quality Labor Management. Today we're going to talk to you about ladder safety. First thing you want to do when you get on a job site is inspect your ladder. You're always going to open your ladder up. You're going to check your locking mechanisms, go down in a full locking position. You want to make sure they're not loose, they're tight, everything looks great. Second step of the inspection, we're going to take this ladder, we're going to lay it down. We lay this ladder down, we're going to come down to the feet. We're going to check all the feet and all the cleats, make sure the rubber padding's still there, make sure there's no cracks, damages inside. Starting bracing of the cleats on both sides. Both sides, check them good. Then you're going to run down your ladder, both sides. You're going to check, make sure the fiberglass is good, there's no cracks, no discoloration. Make sure that all your stickers are on there. This is a lean safe ladder. This one has different positions on which you can use this ladder. You want to use this ladder in accordance with what it should be. This ladder has the ability to be leaned up against the wall, in a corner, on a pole, anything like that. This is able to use that. We're going to come down, we're going to check the hinge point and then the top of the ladder. Everything looks good here. We're going to make sure all the manufacturer stickers are on, weight capacity for the ladder, size of the ladder, make sure all that stuff is on there. It is required to be on there. This ladder is rated for 300 pounds. That's 300 pounds plus your tools. So if you're 295 pounds and you got 10 pounds of tools, you're too heavy for this. You need to find a ladder that's got a heavier weight capacity on here. All these stickers have to be on this ladder. No matter how good the ladder looks, if the stickers aren't there, the ladder's no good. You're just gonna go down, check it, check all the rivets on your rungs, make sure everything's good. Check the cross bracing. Everything looks good. We'll come in, we're gonna flip the ladder over and do the same thing down the other side. Now that the ladder is good, it's been inspected, we're ready to go, ready to get on the ladder and use this ladder. We always want to make sure the ladder is on firm, level ground. If it's not level, if it's on an incline, it's leaning, make sure we do something to get this thing leveled out. If you're on sand, make sure we put mud seals, boards, anything under there that's going to sturdy this ladder, sturdy the footing for this ladder when you crawl up. When you go up the ladder, 3 points of contact at all times. You're never going to go above the second step down. Never want to stand above that. This is not a stool. We don't sit up here, you don't stand up here. One step at a time. When you get to the ladder, you're not allowed to go past the second rung down. You want to make sure that your belt loop midsection doesn't go beyond the ladder. When it gets to that point, it's time to get down, reposition your ladder. I can't go past this, but as tall as I am, if I step up here, now I'm too high. My center of gravity's off, and I'm going to risk a fall. Always stay with your belt loops at the top of the ladder. You never want to lean over too far. That belt loop gets past the outside of the ladder rungs, then you're too far. It's time to crawl down and position it. When you're coming off the ladder, you want to check your surroundings behind you. Ensure that no other trades come in and put some tools down or some rolling stock down where you're going to trip and fall. Check behind you, maintain your 3 points of contact, come down one step at a time. And that's ladder safety.